probably going to be the worst episode that I've ever done, or ever will do, because I'm not building anything per se. I'm trying to get the shop organized. We desperately need it. So yeah, let's rage. Always a good day when Amazon shows up. Not so good day when you walk into a disaster like this. I need a coffee. So, the reason why the shop's such a mess is because we just wrapped up 2 jobs. One was the McDougall project. That was basically a complete overhaul of this beautiful master bedroom. We redid a walk-in closet. It looked absolutely amazing. The countertops were incredible. Right down to the hardware, it was nice gold color. We did a beautiful feature wall where the bed sits. We did custom panels on either side and this floor-to-ceiling walnut with a nice shadow detail along the middle of it. We did a concrete feature wall, which had the TV recessed inside of the wall, the fireplace flush with the wall, and then we also did a nice little shadow line that went all the way through and added in an ARIA vent for the cold air return. So then we did the bathroom, which had like these crazy custom doors. Brian did this nice shadow line all the way through for the casings. We didn't actually have to do any casings. And when you walked through from the bedroom to the bathroom, you got to see this beautiful floor to ceiling showers. There's 2 niches and there's faucets everywhere. This place is absolutely incredible. So that took us, wait, can you guys even see me? So that basically took us 10 weeks, right into the middle of November. Then we jumped right into something that we called the Secret Project. And I can't share much about the Secret Project, otherwise it wouldn't be very much of a secret, would it? And the reason why the shop is in the state that it's in is because our schedules have been chaotic. So the goal for today is to just do as much organizing as I can. Also, we're gonna start a podcast this year.
1, 2, 3, jump!
That stuff there is what we're gonna make our podcast booth out of. It's called Sonopan. It's just basically soundproofing insulation. Okay, so the main purpose, or the main goal for today is to try and get this space cleared up as much as I can, and then we can get all of these tools onto this shelving. And I know it's not a very remarkable build, but I really want to try this year just to get more videos out there and to share more of my experiences rather than try to nail everything and get everything perfect. So hope you're ready for that. Now, a lot of people know me as the guy that proposed to his girlfriend at the airport. I mean, which is great. I'm super fortunate that my brother-in-law was there to capture that moment on film, but I'm just so much more than a viral video, you know? And what I mean by that is I want to spend less time on the meat and potatoes, if you will, and more time just documenting. My main goal for this channel is to educate people, entertain people, and inspire people, whether it's through home renovation, DIY projects, tools, or even just spending time with my family. That is what I want from this channel. So not every single video is gonna be this epic, cool, insane build. It might just be spending time in the shop organizing tools, because Lord knows we need it. Okay, whew. Sorry about that. I had to step out for a meeting, hence the clean clothes and baby face, but let's talk tool organization. Basically, all you need to do is make sure that you can find, why am I leaning down like this? Super awkward. What you want to do is try to find homes for things that is going to make your life a hell of a lot easier and a lot more productive when you're on the go. So basically what I mean is, don't just throw things up on the shelves. It does not need to be Instagram worthy. It just has to be functional. For this, we just use 2x4 posts with smaller 2x4s as spacers and 3/4 inch plywood for the shelves, and just rigged up some very simple dividers out of scrap plywood. Obviously, things can get a little bit more complex as you go, and we'll probably get there because we still have a whole heap of stuff to organize over here, but that's a future Mark problem. For now, it's home time. I never really know how to end these things, so I mean, I'm just gonna stick with the old winking gun, I guess. I don't know. Love you all equally. See you in the next one.